Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Jay. So Jay wants to, we're going to show off his hair, his scar in the back. So, you know, when he goes to his barber, again, he says that they have a hard time finding it, and I'll show you why. But you can see, I mean, at this length, there's nothing to talk about, you know. But what I'll do is kind of show you in real time what it looks like. So, let's see. Right there, that little line right there. And let me see if we can see a little better here in this view. So there we go. So that little line, I'm going to put some pictures on there. Sometimes the video doesn't really show it well, but you can see that, you know, you really have to look for it to find it. Let me see if I can see it better over here. So that's just a crease in the hair, and as you come up, right there, see that little line right in there? And again, this side, all the way around, there it is right there. But point is that it doesn't limit him in any way in terms of its hair loss. So thanks again, Jay.
My
we really look forward to seeing you. And you know, if you ever do get another procedure, we'd love to document that one as well if you're interested.
It'll be in a year.
Awesome.
We'll be back in a year.
Fantastic.
Fill it in more.
Thanks, Jay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.